Having access to an aging parent is a blessing. The wisdom that can come from them is invaluable, but sometimes their faculties for managing their own finances are not what they used to be. They need help, but pride often prevents them from asking for it. At the next session of our Protecting Aging Parents from Financial Ruin workshop, we help you have the difficult conversation about helping mom and dad in this area. It doesn't have to be controversial or adversarial. A credit freeze and a trust arrangement that balances the need to protect assets with the aging parent's desire for familiarity and some level of control is possible. Join us to find out how. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.